Betal's boon. Betal's overwhelming speech made King Vikramaditya very happy. He said to Betal, I have everything that a man could ask for by God's grace, but I will gladly accept a boon from you. Please grant me the wish that the 25 stories told by, with the queries raised and their answers given by me, become famous all over the world. A pleased Betal responded, The boon is granted. These 25 stories will be famous all over the world. These will bring peace and solace to those who would listen to or read these pious stories with devotion. King Vikramaditya was happy to hear this. Then Betal went away. But after Betal had gone away, King Vikramaditya felt there was some divine form around him, and within no time he was proved right. As Lord Shiva stood before him, he praised King Vikramaditya for having slain the hermit. He was the vilest enemy of the people. Lord Shiva appears. Lord Shiva said, Vikram, you are part of me. I created you to destroy the enemy forces and to maintain peace on the earth. I am happy to say that you performed your duties successfully. But your job is not yet over. You still have many more battles to conquer. And for this, I am giving you a sword, which is indestructible. My blessings are with you. May you always win. I also give you the sovereignty over the Vidyadharas for as long as you wish to have it. Once you attain self-realization, you will discard worldly pleasures and be one with me once again. Lord Shiva went away. As King Vikramaditya had finished his job, he returned to his capital Pratisthana. There his subjects welcomed him and honored him. There was great rejoicing everywhere.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.
The Brahmin is blessed. King Vikramaditya caught Betal before he could hang upside down on the peepal tree. Putting the dead body on his shoulder, he walked towards the crematory. On the way, Betal remarked, Vikram, it is for the first time that you have caught me even before I could be in my abode. It seems that you will taste success soon. Now, as the road is too long, you had better listen to the story I tell you. So Betal began his story. There was a town named Baikuntpur. An old Brahmin named Nandhasan lived there. He was sad because he had no children. One day he felt very depressed. He said to himself, I really do not know what sin I have committed, as God has not blessed me with a child. But it seemed that God had heard his prayers. Nandhasan was blessed with a son. He was thrilled and thanked God. The son dies. The Brahmin named the child Vishal Datta. With passing time, Vishal Datta grew up. The Brahmin brought him up in a traditional way. He received good education. By the age of 14 years, he had mastered the Vedas and the Upanishads. All was going well when something awful happened. Vishal Datta became seriously ill. None of the physicians could cure him, and finally he died. Nandhasan was totally shaken. He was so shocked that he was on the verge of getting mad. He threw himself on his son's bier and wept bitterly. He sat there for hours. Finally, it was time to take the body for cremation. So, a sad Nandhasan, along with other people, took the boy to the crematory. Near that place, under a tree, a very old sage was sitting in meditation. He got disturbed by the wailing of the people and looked in that direction.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.